Okay, let's look at this particular problem and how to use SALT on it in 6.5, maybe this first problem. So suppose X has a distribution with a mean of 70 and a standard deviation of 45. N is 36, so that's greater than 30. That's great. X bar distribution is going to be approximately normal. And you computed that mean properly, which was 70 and the standard deviation of 7.5. So I'm going to show you how to use SALT to find these second two answers. It says find the z-value corresponding to 62.5. So you're just going to click on SALT and put in your mean and your standard deviation of that distribution. So click on SALT. And it's a normal distribution, and the mean was 70 and the standard deviation was 7.5 that you found, so put that in. And then you also need to, it said you're going to find out what was it for 62.5? What is the z-value? So here you can see the z-score is -1. So that's why, let me go back to the problem, that's why the z-value corresponding to 62.5, again, put the 62.5 here and you'll find the z-score. And then the other thing it asks is then what is the probability that that will be less than 62.5? Round your answer to 4 decimal places. Well, we've actually already done that because this is the number we're looking for, and if you round that to 4, so here's the probability that X will be less than or equal to 62.5. It'd be 1.1587. That would round up to 1587. So there you go. And then it says, would it be unusual for a random sample of 36 to have a sample mean less than 62.5? And no, because it wouldn't be unusual, because more than 5% of all the samples do have means that are less than 62.5, because typically you're doing a 95% confidence level. So I hope that helps.